Welcome to the DXS screencast for setting up the Quick Access palette. Although the Home Toolbar ribbon contains most of the commonly used tools in DXS, the Quick Access palette offers the user an ability to customize groups of tools that best suit their workflow. The Quick Access palette is found within the Home Toolbar ribbon at the right-hand side. Selecting the drop-down arrow in the corner allows us to add a new group of tools by selecting New. The Update Quick Access palette window now appears, showing all of the available tools which can be added to the palette. I'm going to add a few of the tools that I personally use most often for data analysis. This workflow consists of checking the data quality, creating some FFTs using the FBE data generator, and channel analysis. Therefore, I will select these tools and input a name for this custom group. Now, when I click OK, you can see that this new data analysis group has been generated within the Quick Access palette, allowing me quicker access to my favourite tools. I may wish to add a second group of tools for an additional workflow, for example data export. If I go back to the drop-down, select New, and select my usual data export tools of Data Quality Check, FBE Export and Sensor Data Converter, name it Data Export, and OK, you can see that I now have a second custom tool palette. Switching between the two is easy. Just go to the drop-down and select which of these custom groups you wish to display. This is also where the update and delete functions are found, in addition to the ability to import and export these settings. This gives the ability for a group of analysts to share the same Quick Access palettes. So that's all for today. I hope you found this video on the Quick Access palette useful. Bye for now.